These are some stretches I do every hour to help relieve my back pain from sitting in front of a computer all day. I always start off with cat cows because these add instant flexibility into my back. It's just really satisfying to hear my back crack. Then I go into child pose. This helps stretch out my back and my hips. Then I like to do this stretch, which I think is called a cobra, and I twist to both sides. This also usually cracks my back. I like to go into a quick little quad stretch to get some movement into my legs. Then I move on to my back. I usually do a little happy baby or just do one of these side stretches. This always cracks my back and it's so satisfying. I do a stretch on both sides and I end with these roll things that, I don't know, just feels really nice.